In this video, we want to look at complex number. A complex number is really a number that has a real part and an imaginary part. It is represented as a plus bi. This is the real part and this is the imaginary part. Some textbooks will say x plus yi, they are the same. Now we arrive at complex number when you are solving something like a quadratic equation and you get a square root of a negative value. When you press this in a calculator, it will give you error. What mathematicians now say is that it is actually operating in the imaginary realm. So we don't combine it together with a real number. We keep it aside with either a positive sign or a negative sign. Let's look at addition of complex numbers. For example, if I have that z1 is equal to 2 plus 3i, and I have that z2 is equal to 3 plus 2i. Now, find z1 plus z2. And second question, find z1 minus z2. Now, let's go. The first one, z1 plus z2. Our z1 is 2 plus 3i. And our z2 is 3 plus 2i. The simple thing to do is to take real number to real. Take imaginary to imaginary. We call it collection of like terms. So what you do is 2 plus 3 plus 3i plus 2i. So what you now have is this is 5 plus 5i. That's just this. Once you have arrived at a plus bi or x plus bi or x plus yi, I beg your pardon, then you know that you have already arrived at your final answer. Now, the second one say we should find z1 minus z2. z1 minus z2. Our z1 is actually 2 plus 3i minus z2. So z2 is 3 plus 2i. Remember, for the case of minus, the minus is going to affect everybody because we're talking about minus z2. So what we'll have is 2 plus 3i minus times this will give you minus 3, minus times this will give you minus 2i. Now you go ahead and collect your like terms. You have 2 minus 3, that's this and this, plus 3i, that's this, minus 2i. So what you have here is minus 1. What you have here is minus I. That's your answer. So here is one for you. Let's say that z1 is equal to minus 3 plus 4i, and that z2 is equal to 3 plus 2i. Let's work on this. Find z1 plus z2 and also z1 minus z2. You can pause the video for now and try it yourself. So let's go. z1 plus z2 becomes minus 3 plus 4i plus 3 plus 2i. So you collect like terms. Minus 3 minus 3. That's this and this. Then plus 4i plus 2i. The answer becomes 0, then plus 6i. That's the answer. For the second one, we have z1 minus z2. It will be minus 3 plus 4i minus 3 plus 2i. So what we will have is minus 3 plus 4i. Here and here is minus 3. Here and here is minus 2i. So if we collect like terms, we're going to have minus 3 plus 4 will give you plus. So 4 plus 1i, minus 3 minus 3 will give you minus 6. That's here and here. Minus 6. Then here and here is going to give you 2 plus 2i. Minus 3 is minus 6. 4 minus 2 is giving you 2. So that's the answer. Now on your own, you can also try this. Minus 2 minus 2i as z1. Then z2 is minus 5 minus 5i. Leave the answer in the comment section.